está?
So, hola, that's right. Hola, all the Mexican truck drivers, you're welcome to come up here, Yellowknife. I know it's a long drive, but there's a lot of gas stations, so if you fill up properly, you can make it all the way up here and come visit us in Yellowknife, Northwest Territories. We're above the 60th parallel, and it's cold. It's cold.
Very cold.
No bikinis.
No bikinis at all?
Well, you can have bikinis, but they're going to be about 3 or 4 bikinis to stay warm. But yeah, thanks for coming. Welcome anytime. And if you got some time, go to godc3.com, vote on my Lego DC3 project. And you too can have a Lego DC3 back in your home, and you can fly around and turn your house into a hangar.
Okay.